Wow, ang daming kids sa atin ngayon, Lala Chan. Okay, kids, sino tayo sa gitna? Sa gitna po tayo. Ayan, sa gitna tayo, kids. And to all kids na nasa play area pa rin po, magka-count si Ate Eva ng 10 seconds. Wait namin kayo dito sa gitna in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And to all parents and guardians naman po na nasa loob ng event area, pwede po tayo sa labas muna para ma-maximize na mga kids ang event natin ngayon sa event area po. Okay, hi kids! Hello! Nag-enjoy pa kayo dito sa loob ng Kizuna? Apo! Okay. And before we start, magpapakilala po muna ng event team namin. My name is Ate Eva and I will be your host for the day. And I'm with Ate Ja and Ate Liwa! Hi! And of course, our very own, our 5-year-old biggest squirrel all the way from Japan, si Lala Chan! Hi daw sa inyo, sabi ni Lala Chan! Hi! Ayan! Okay. Oops, may binulong sa akin kids si Lala Chan. Sabi ni Lala Chan, magwa-warm up dance daw po muna tayo bago tayo mag-games. Are you ready kids? Yes! And syempre, tuturuan tayo ni Lala Chan ng basic step. First basic step, Lala Chan, clap your hands down and up and roll your hands right and left. Okay kids, are you ready? Yes! Music please!
Do you know the Taka Taka song? It's really easy.
Ready?
Goes. Taka clap, taka jump, taka taka spin around, taka clap, taka jump, taka taka spin around, taka clap, taka jump, taka taka spin around, taka clap, taka jump, taka taka spin
Yay!
around.
Good job! Ready? 3, 2, 1, one more!
1, 2, 3, let's go. Taka clap, taka jump, taka taka spin around, taka clap, taka jump, taka taka spin around, taka clap, taka jump, taka taka spin around, taka clap, taka jump, taka taka spin around.
Good job! Okay, kids! Okay. Galing naman mag-dance. Okay, and now we're here na. Ayan. So, sit down po muna tayo, kids. Sit down. Okay. So, kids, today is Saturday. So, ang games natin is called Tag of War! Yay! Excited ang mga kids natin, Lala Chan! Okay. Okay, so meron tayo ditong rope. Ayan, baby ko, sit down muna ikaw. Ayan, sit down. So, syempre, meron tayong team leader ng Team A and Team B. Ayan, are you ready na, Lala Chan? Are you excited, Lala Chan? Excited na daw si Lala Chan makipaglaro sa inyo, kids. Okay. So, meron tayong Team A and Team B. Dito muna tayo sa Team A, Lala Chan. Hi, Team A. What is your name, Kuya? Nico. Hi, Kuya Nico. Hi, Team A. So, kids, ang magiging team leader ninyo sa Team A ay si Kuya Nico. And Kuya Nico, sila yung magiging teammate mo. Okay. And syempre, meron tayo, Lala Chan, Team B. Hi, Team B. What is your name, Kuya?
Zen po.
What?
Zen po.
Zen! Oh, wow! Okay, mga unique ang mga name ng mga kids natin today. So, kids, ang team leader ninyo sa Team B ay si Kuya Zen. And Kuya Zen, sila po yung magiging teammates mo. Okay, Lala Chan. So, kids, sa mga nakaupo pa lang po, sit down muna kayo and i-demo ni Kuya Nico and Kuya Zen ng Team A and Team B kung paano laruin ang Tag of War. Okay? First, pag tinaas ni Ate Eva itong flag, ibig sabihin, naka-hands up din kayo kids and wala mo na hahawak sa rope. And magkakon si Ate Eva ng 3, 2, 1, kukuhain niyo kuya yung mga rope and hihilahin ninyo ng malakas papunta sa inyo. And kung kanino napunta ang marker na team, sila ang mayroong 1 point. So this time, ang marker ay napunta sa Team B. So ibig sabihin sila yung mayroong 1 point. So kids, meron lang tayo 3 rounds. Kung sino yung magkaroon ng 2 points, Lala Chan. First safety reminders, Lala Chan. No pushing. Next, Lala Chan. No jumping. And pull the rope. Okay, pull the rope as long as you get it. Last, Lala Chan. Just enjoy the rest of the game. Okay, kids. Ready na ba kayo? Lala Chan, ready na daw sila. So stand up tayo, kids. Stand up. Ayan. So, magkakaroon lang kayo ng Team A and Team B. Lahat ng Team A dito po sa side ni Kuya Zen. And sa Team B dito sa side ni Kuya Nico. Okay. So, kids, kung sino yung maliliit, sila yung nasa unahan. Smallest to tallest tayo, kids. Maliliit hanggang malalaki or mabababa pataas. Ayan. And meron na sila 2 lines. 2 lines each team. Wow! Okay na ang Team A. How about Team B naman? Okay. So, dahil mag-games na tayo, marinig daw si Lala Chan ng cheer ng Team A. Okay, Team A, marinig si Lala Chan ng cheer.
Go Team A! Go Team A! Go Team A!
Go Team A! Go Team A! How about Team B naman? Napaka-energetic ng Team B, Lala Chan! Okay, kids! Ready na ba kayo? Okay, mauna kami ni Lala Chan sa airdrop. Sunod ang Team A followed by Team B. Come on, kids! Let's go! Pwede kayo mag-cheer habang kayo ay papunta sa airdrop. And to all parents and guardians po, pwede pa kayo sumunod dito sa amin sa airdrop para i-cheer niyo pa ang inyong mga kids. Ay, okay. Once again, safety reminder sila lahat. No jumping, lahat ng teammate. Kung kayo lilipat sa dulo. Ayan, at kayo sa dulo. Wala ka na, hawak sa rope. Bitawan mo na ang rope, hindi ka sa Okay, hello, hi, Team A. It's okay, lahat naman tayo winner dito sa Kids Day. Okay, wait tayo sa Team B, sign up. Tapos yung ganyan ng bibigyan natin sila ng 5,000. Very good, ready? In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. All nice. Yes, hi, Team B. Congratulations. Okay, dahil ginawa naman natin sila ng kanilang best, bibigyan natin sila ng 3,000. Good job. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Ready na ba kayo sa surprise na lahat? Balik tayo ni sa banner. Ako ang iwan ko yun. Ayan. Pangaliwan tayo ulit. Okay, careful. Dahan-dahan lang. Huwag magulan, kids. Ayan. Yay! Okay, Lala Chan. Nag-enjoy ka ba, Lala Chan? Ay, nag-enjoy daw si Lala Chan. Yes! Okay, guys, balik tayo dito sa event area. Hindi ba tayo tapos? Okay. Okay. Wait natin yung ibang mga kids. Yay! Hello, kids! Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Oh, well done, Lala Chan. So, dahil dyan, meron pa si Lala Chan? Surprise! Oops! May pinag-uulit sa akin si Lala Chan. Sabi ni Lala Chan, sayawin raw natin yung favorite dance niya, Love is a Treasure. So again, kids, gagayahin natin ulit sa mayaw si Lala Chan. Music, please. Hands up. And ready to jump. Jump. March. Side to side. Side to side. Bend your knees. Here is a beat. Shoulder. Your head. And jump. Wave your hands. Circle. Fish. Wave your hands. Side face. You ready to dance? And everybody will shout hooray in 3, 2, 1. Hooray! Okay, sit down po muna tayo. Sit down. Wow! Eto na yung surprise sa inyo ni Lala Chan Kids. Okay. Kapag sinabi ni Ate Eva na 3, 2, 1, isa-shout nyo, open! Okay, ready? Practice tayo, kids. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Lala Chan, ready na? Okay, kids. Last one na daw. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Okay, get one and sit down kayo ulit, kids. Get one and sit down ulit. Dahan-dahan po. Okay. Isa-isa lang po para mabigyan natin yung ibang mga kids. Okay, para lahat mabigyan ng kids, isa lang po muna. Share your balloons, kids. Share. Ayan, meron kay Ate Liwa sa likuran. Meron pa kay Ate. Okay, kids, sit down po muna tayo. Hindi pa tayo tapos, kids. And to all parents and guardians po, para din ang camera po para sa group picture na. picture po. Mga mami sa lahat is ready po ng camera. Okay. Okay, kids. When Ate Emma say kids winner, you will shout, hooray! Smile kayo kila mommy and daddy. Okay, let's practice, kids. Ready? Ready? In 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! Okay. To all parents and guardians po, please turn on your camera and to selfie mode po. Selfie mode tayo mga mami. Mag-grouping picture po tayo. Pa-selfie mode po ng mga camera nyo. This time kasama naman po kayo sa picture. Okay, selfie mode po tayo mga mamis and daddies. Pa-selfie po ng camera. Okay, ready kids? In 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! Hooray! So, Jessie and millennial parents were encouraged to post our grouping picture with the hashtag Kidzuna page. Okay, last one na kids, mga mamis, pa-turn on your camera and to selfie mode po ulit. Okay, kids, last one na. Ready? Give your best smile kay mommy and daddy. Ready? 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! Hooray! Smile! Smile kayo kay mommy and daddy. Smile! Yay! Okay. Hindi na sila na dyan. Wala muna tayo, kids. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Okay. Oops, may binulong ulit sa akin, kids, si Lala Chan. Sabi ni Lala Chan, gusto niyo raw ba mag-celebrate ng birthday party dito sa Kidzuna kasama si Lala Chan? Yes! To all parents and guardians po, birthday party is now open here at Kidzuna. For more inquiries, don't hesitate to ask our friendly staff and we are very happy to assist you po. Okay, kids!